Hi everyone, and welcome to STEM Show episode number 2, Puppies and Pulleys. Today, we are going to share with you some fun ways to make pulleys. But first, we should probably let you know what a pulley is and why you would even want to make one. Well, have you ever tried to lift an elephant? Pretty hard, right? Now, just imagine if you were little, like a mouse. That would not be a very good idea. Now, have you ever tried to lift something by pulling down? That makes absolutely no sense, right? Well, it does if you're a pulley. A pulley is a wheel with a rope looped around it. It is used to help you lift a load by pulling it down. The load is the thing that you want to lift, like a bunch of adorable little puppies. You use a force to pull down on the rope, like your own muscles, or in this case, a dog on a skateboard. The key point of pulleys is that they redirect force. All pulley systems redirect the force. In this case, we pull down to lift something up. With a simple pulley system with one wheel, the elephant actually doesn't feel any lighter, but it sure is better than getting squashed. Now, if you add another wheel to the system, you actually create a complex pulley. And believe it or not, this makes the elephant feel like it's only half the weight. So you can more easily lift it. Now, because there's a lot more rope, it does take longer to lift the elephant, but luckily, the mouse doesn't seem to mind. Now take a few moments to think about pulleys and how they are used in the real world. And also think about how you want to build a pulley for your project. Now it's time to create your own pulley. Here are some materials that you might use, but feel free to look around your space and improvise. Come up with your own ideas. For our project, we used cardboard, connectors, tape, scissors, paper straws, assorted toys, craft materials, and some spools of thread. You can watch how we created a treehouse for dogs to get some inspiration. And then you can make your own pulley system at home using the materials that you collect. Now it's your turn to create your own pulley. Design it, build it, write a story about your project, and don't forget to share for your chance to be showcased, and you may even win some prizes. Thanks again for watching.